Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope all is well. Here is Anuja ma'am. Welcome you again in our next session. In the last video, we have seen the BCD subtraction, 9's complement method, 10's complement method, then excess 3 codes. Today, we are going to learn about the gray codes. Okay. Now, the gray codes, these are again another type of the non-weighted codes, similar to the excess 3 codes. XST codes are also non-weighted codes. Similarly, gray codes are also non-weighted codes. These are also known as reflected binary code. These are different than the binary codes. Okay, these are known as reflected binary code. Here, two successive or consecutive values differ only in one bit. Okay, in binary code, if you will see, the two consecutive values or two consecutive numbers or the two successive numbers are not different, differ by one bit. They can differ by 2 or 3 bits also. But in this is the speciality, or you can say this is the property of this gray code, that the two successive values differ only in one bit. Okay, so the cyclic variable code, that means every transition from one value to the next value involves only one bit change. In this, the value changes only by one bit. Okay, so let us see now how to convert every binary number to the gray number. Okay, binary to gray conversion, this is very important topic. Okay, this also question can be asked in your paper many times. So just remember how to convert binary to gray. Let us begin with one example. One 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 1 to the base 2 is equal to question mark to the base gray. That means gray number is asked. See carefully how I have written the number. This number, that is a binary number, will be written as it is 11101 with some space. I have written or I have marked these numbers as B of 1. B of 1 क्या है? That is binary का first number. Okay, B of 1, B of 2, B of 3, B of 4, B of 5. B stands for binary. And here I have written G of 1, G of 2, G of 3, G of 4 and G of 5. This is the gray number. Okay, so this is what binary to gray conversion. So all these numbers are binary. Okay, let us begin now how to do. B of 1, ये जो पहला नंबर है उसे हमें एज इट इज़ लिखना है. लुक एट द एरोज. ओके, ये जो एरोज जो मैंने मार्क किए हैं उसी पे आपको ध्यान देना है एंड यू विल गेट क्लियर आइडिया. ओके, क्या करना है, हमें बाइनरी नंबर को एज इट इज़ लिखना है विद सम स्पेस. उसके बाद जो पहला नंबर है, दैट फर्स्ट डिजिट और फर्स्ट बीट of this binary number we will write down as it is. So this 1 will be written as it is 1. Then go on adding the first and next bit. This 1 and the next bit, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? Here the addition. See, I have marked here the plus sign. So that means you have to add these two bits. So 1 plus 1, the addition comes as 0 with carry 1. But here remember always that you have to neglect or ignore the carry. And you just write down sum over here. Okay, only addition you have to write, carry you have to neglect. Okay, or carry you have to ignore. Okay, so 1 plus 1 will become 0 with carry 1. That carry 1 has to be neglected. Then again 1 plus 1 will be 0. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, look at this. Once again I am telling you, जो नंबर है उसको हमें एज इट इज़ लिखना है. सो वी हैव रिटर्न दिस 3 times 1 0 1 एज इट इज़ विद सम स्पेस. देन फर्स्ट बिट जो है वो उसको एज इट इज़ लिखना है, वो मैंने लिखा है 1. उसके बाद जो फर्स्ट बीट है और जो नेक्स्ट बीट है उन दोनों बीट्स को ऐड करना है. 1 plus 1, इसमें एडिशन करनी है. 1 plus 1. तो क्या हो गया एडिशन? 1 plus 1 बाइनरी एडिशन क्या होता है? 0 विथ कैरी 1. लेकिन जो कैरी 1 है उसको हमें निगलेक्ट करना है. ओके, सो 1 plus 1 का आंसर आता है 0. अगेन 1 plus 1 का आंसर आता है 0. अगेन 1 plus 0 का आंसर आता है 1. 0 plus 1 का आंसर आता है 1. कैरी हम निगलेक्ट करते जा रहे हैं. एंड वी आर गेटिंग द फाइनल आंसर इन ग्रे, that is 10011. This is my gray code, okay, for this binary number. Okay, so what is my first step? write the first number as it is. Then step 2, add 2 bits, that is add the 2 consecutive bits and ignore the carry, only write the sum, okay, and get the final answer. So this is the binary number which is given and this is the gray code for that. This is how you are converting binary to gray, okay. Let us take one another example for conversion of binary to gray, okay. So let us take one example, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 to the base 2 is equal to question mark to the base gray. What is my first step? I'll write this number as it is, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Then I will write down this number as it is. Then I will go on adding the next consecutive और successive numbers. ये जो नंबर्स है, बिट्स है, इन दोनों बिट्स को मैं ऐड करते जाऊंगी. सो आई विल राइट फर्स्ट नंबर, मतलब फर्स्ट डिजिट मैंने ऐसे ही लिख दिया है. उसके बाद आई विल गो ऑन एडिंग दिस बिट विद द नेक्स्ट बिट. सो 1 + 1, इसमें मैं प्लस कर रही हूँ. सो 1 + 1 आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 विथ कैरी 1. जो कैरी है उसको मुझे निगलेक्ट करना है. फिर से मैं 1 + 1 करूँगी तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 0. फिर 1 + 0 करूँगी तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 1. फिर मैं 0 में 1 ऐड करूँगी तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 1. फिर 1 + 1 करूँगी तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 0. देन 1 + 0, what I'll get is 1. So this is what I'll go on adding the next bits, 2 bits, two consecutive bits, and I'll write down the addition. Only summation I will have to write, no carry. Okay, so carry has to be neglected. So what is my final answer? 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is my gray for this binary number. Okay. Now look at this to convert gray to binary. How to convert gray number to binary number? Let us take one example, 111 0 1 1 to the base gray. So this is gray code which is given and the binary is asked, or base 2 will be given, so you can easily identify that this is the binary number which is asked. So begin with this. The number as it is you have to write first of all. So 111 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1, ये मैंने लिख दिया as it is with some space. Then write down the first bit as it is. Write down the first bit as it is. So 1 को मैंने ऐसे ही लिख दिया है 1. उसके बाद ये जो 1 है, जो आंसर आया है, मतलब जो मैंने 1 एज इट इज़ लिखा है, उस 1 को इस 1 में नेक्स्ट बीट के साथ ऐड करना है. लुक केयरफुली टू द एरोज. ओके, 1 को पहले एज इट इज़ लिखना है, उसके बाद इस 1 से नेक्स्ट बीट को ऐड करना है. क्रॉस में देखो, क्रॉस एडिशन करनी है. सो 1 इफ एडेड विथ दिस 1, द answer will be 0 with carry 1. Again here also you have to neglect the carry. What is my answer is 0. Now again this 0 is then cross added with this 1. 0 plus 1 will be what? 1. 1 plus 0 will be what? 1. 1 plus 1 0. 0 plus 1 1. So this is how I am getting the binary number from this gray number. Okay, what I have done here, the number I have written as it is with some space. Then write down the first bit as it is. Then the first bit and the next bit of this gray number is added. Okay, 1 plus 1, and the addition is written here and the carry is neglected. So 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1 which is neglected. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 0. 0 plus 1 1. So the carries are neglected. So I am getting the final answer as 1 0 1 1 0 1. So this is the gray to binary. This is a gray number and this is converted to binary. Okay, so what is my first step? First step is write down the number as it is, then add in the cross way. Okay, and write down the sum, avoid the carry. Okay, this is how you are going to convert gray to binary. Let us take another example for gray to binary. We are converting what? Gray to binary. Okay, So let us take example as 111000110. Suppose this is my gray number and I will have to convert into binary. So what to do? I'll write down this number as it is, 111000110. Okay, write down the number as it is. Now write this number as it is. First bit will be written as it is, and then add in the cross way. Like this addition I will add with this next bit. Okay, so the addition will be done but in the answer and bit. So 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. So this is how I am adding and I am writing the addition. I will go on writing the addition. Okay, what I have done here, 1 को मैंने ऐसे ही लिखा है as it is. फिर इस 1 को मैंने नेक्स्ट बीट के साथ ऐड कर दिया. सो 1 plus 1 0 होता है और कैरी 1 होता है, उस कैरी को निगलेक्ट करना है. फिर 0 plus 1 1. ओके, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, तो carry 1 को neglect करना है. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is my answer, 10111011. That is my binary number. This is how you are converting gray to binary. Okay, students, I have given you here the complete chart of decimal, binary and gray numbers. You can see through this chart that the gray numbers are having difference of only one bit in the two consecutive or successive gray numbers. See, here you can see the two consecutive gray numbers such as 0000 and the 0001. Only one bit has changed. Likewise, sequentially, if you will look at this, if you will observe, you will find that in any two consecutive gray numbers, only one bit has changed. Okay, so and in binary you can see that there may be change of or difference of 2-3 bits sometimes. Okay, so this is the difference of binary and gray codes. Gray code have some specific applications. Okay, decimal, binary and gray. This is the complete chart of these numbers. Refer this, you will come to know how the gray numbers are different than the binary numbers. Okay, so I hope you have understood the gray numbers. I hope you understood how to convert binary to gray and gray to binary. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and till then, goodbye.